When selecting components for your build, it's essential to focus on the core parts: the CPU, GPU, RAM, motherboard, and storage. Each of these components plays a crucial role in your system's overall performance. For the CPU, consider the AMD Ryzen 3200G, which offers solid performance for both gaming and multitasking, often available at a reasonable price. For the GPU, while high-end graphics cards can be prohibitively expensive, the used market can yield gems like the NVIDIA GTX 1650, which strikes a great balance between performance and cost. Building your first gaming PC under $500 is a thrilling endeavor that opens the door to an immersive world of gaming without breaking the bank. The key to success lies in setting a clear budget and sticking to it, which not only keeps your spending in check, but also challenges you to make savvy choices about components. With careful planning and research, constructing a budget gaming PC is not only achievable, but also incredibly rewarding. Once you've gathered your components, it's time for assembly. Start by finding a clean, static-free workspace. Begin with the motherboard, installing the CPU and RAM first. Carefully align the CPU with the socket, ensuring the notches match, and secure it in place. Next, insert the RAM sticks into the designated slots, ensuring they click into place. After preparing the motherboard, mount it in the case, securing it with screws. Next, RAM is vital for smooth gameplay. Opt for 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is affordable and sufficient for most modern games. Brands like Corsair and G-Skill offer reliable options that won't stretch your budget. The motherboard should be compatible with your CPU and RAM. Look for an entry-level board like the MSI B50M Pro VDH Max. This choice ensures you have the necessary features without overspending. Lastly, for storage, a 500GB SSD provides fast load times and ample space for your games, enhancing your overall gaming experience. The next step is to install the power supply and connect it to the motherboard and other components. Take your time with this process. Double-check connections to avoid any issues later. Installing the GPU is straightforward. Slot it into the PCIe lane and secure it with screws. For storage, connect the SSD to the motherboard and power supply. Once assembled, it's time to power up your new machine. During the initial boot up, check that all components are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, retrace your steps to ensure everything is properly connected. After the successful boot, install your operating system, typically Windows, followed by the necessary drivers for your hardware. This step is crucial for optimal performance. After setting up the OS, it's time to optimize your gaming experience. Adjust graphics settings within games based on your hardware capabilities, and consider tweaking power management settings to enhance performance. Finally, the moment of truth arrives as you launch a popular game. Witness your newly built PC in action, running smoothly at respectable frame rates. The satisfaction of seeing your hard work pay off is unmatched. As you dive into your gaming sessions, remember that this build is just the beginning. For future upgrades, keep an eye on sales and new technology, as the gaming landscape is ever evolving. Resources like online forums, YouTube tutorials, and PC building communities can offer valuable insights and tips for optimizing your system further. Building your first gaming PC under $500 not only equips you for modern gaming, but also instills a sense of accomplishment that will inspire your future tech endeavors.